S.BHULAKSHMI. I am from Guntur. I have completed my Masters in the stream of MCA in the year of 2024. After I joined in Qspiders. In Qspiders, I learned manual testing and automation testings. In Qspiders, they helped me to crack the interview. After that, when I am in Qspiders, they helped me to crack the job while doing the presentations, and I have attended so many groomings and so many presentation skills I have given, and also I have given so many mock interviews, including that all the mock interviews and presentation skills I got placed in from Qspiders. Thank you, Qspiders.